Yeah, so different different cars.
What's up, bro?
Hi,
Do
girls.
you know
Hi.
your topic?
Nervous?
Do you
Do
know
you
your
study?
topic?
My topic. Yeah, I know.
Hi, I'm nervous.
Actually, I know my topic, but
Yeah,
I need
yeah.
to record all the.
Thank you. Let's go.
Of the projectiles, condition of the container, the lines, and the firing mechanisms. Quantity on board. On board a ship, on board a vessel, on board all vessel, we have 4 line throwing apparatus. If we see the fire plane, in the fire plane we can see just one. But this is because when the fire plane was developed, it was when the ship was constructed. So this quantity it's all. The new quantity or the quantity right now it's 4. We have the characteristics in both are it has 4 projectiles and the distance is 230 meters. The only difference between us is the brand. This is one brand and that one is other brand. But the characteristics are the same thing.
EEVD, Emergency Escape Breathing Device, is an essential device on board the ship MN Christian Express. It is a special designed to supply air or oxygen in case of exit of space, maybe dangerous atmosphere. On board this MN Christian Express, there are 7 units of this device, 3 in the bridge. One of them is a spare part, 2 in the kitchen, and the last 2 in the engineer room. In compliance with the SOLAS and the FSS, the EVD must have a minimum duration than 10 minutes and made with flame-resistant material to protect the ice, the noise, and the mold during the evaporation. On the other hand, the EVD must have with essential information: serial number, manufacturer brand, the useful life, the manufacture date, and of course the name of the authority that approved. Next, please. The SCBA, self-contained braking apparatus. is other essential device on board the ship and Christian Express. There are 5 units on board, 3 in the fire station and 2 in the bridge. On the other hand, there are 6 units of cylinders of spare parts. In compliance with the SOLAS and the FSS, the SCBA must be self-contained type, with a cylinder with a minimum capacity than 102,000 liters of air, and must have a minimum duration than 30 minutes, as well as the cylinders of this device must be interchangeable.
Good afternoon, lady cadets. Today you're going to start the oral presentation about life-saving appliances and firefighting system. Good luck.
Thank you.
Life-saving appliances and firefighting system on book on tanker ship Anita. Firefighting appliances and life-saving devices are very crucial on a vessel because they can save lives in case of an emergency, as well as being mandatory under international legislation. The sea is a very efficient mode of transportation, but also a dangerous environment. So, leading seafarers to develop safety measures against these unexpected dangers. We will explain each life-saving and firefighting device on tanker ship Anita, along with their definition, characteristic, and operation according to Chapter 2, Part 2, and Chapter 3 of SOLAS Convention, and the code FSS and LSA. With this brief introduction, let's start our presentation. This is tanker ship Anita. It's an oil tanker with a length overall 250 meters under a Tanzanian flag. For more information, you can check the ship's particulars. Free fall lifeboat is a boat capable of keeping people's lives out of danger in a distress situation. So, at the moment to abandon the ship, these boats are completely enclosed with a non-combustible rigid hull, and it has a motor, and its functioning is very simple. It's thrown into the water simply by dropping them from its raft, activating a mechanism from the inside. So evacuation is very quick. And it has a launch angle of between 30 and 35 degrees. In tanker ship Anita, we found one unit in the sea deck.
Display rocket parachute flare. It is a maritime rescue device used to send distress signals over long distances in case of emergency at sea. Any characteristics of this device are: rocket will reach a minimum height of 300 meters. The light will be visible for a period of at least 40 seconds. It has a water-resistant case, and in its case, mostly brief instructions or diagrams printed indicating how to use it. The flame will burn bright red and must have a decimal speed of maximum 5 meters per second. Its functioning consists in, when fired, the device activates a mechanism that deploys a life plate with a parachute that deploys immediately. And this will be visible at long distances. even in poor visibility conditions such as night or cloudy weather.
Locker. Each self-propelled vessel must have at least two lockers for safety navigation. Will one supplies adjacent to the emergency stop station. This locker must include two stretcher or wired basket for lifting injured personnel, as well as two sets of equipment, each comprising 30 minutes self-contained breathing apparatus, corridors, boots, glutes, goggles, offline and explosion-proof. The second locker adds also adjacent to an emergency stop station will contain the remaining equipment and first aid supplies. Both lockers must be clearly marked as safety equipment.
DVD emergency escape breathing device. It's a personal protective equipment used in the emergency situation on board a ship to provide vital air during evacuation. Some of the features are limited duration, easy to use, and the duration of the air supply is limited, usually between 10 and 60 minutes. Easy to use. The EVD is designed to be easy to use, even in therefore low visibility situation.
Fireman outfit. A fireman outfit is a piece of personal protective equipment designed to provide safety and protection during firefighting operation. It is composed of several layers of material resistant to fire and heat. Firefighting equipment consists of individual equipment and the breathing apparatus. In the individual equipment, we have visor, face mask, fire protection suit, fire axe, safety lamp, safety boots, safety gloves, and portable fire extinguisher.
Fire pump. Emergency fire pump is also occasionally known as a marine pump or firefighting pump. The operation of fire pump is powered by the ships. Emergency fire pumps will fix and independently mechanically driven they can be driven by diesel or electric motor.
The purpose of this regulation is to detect a fire in the origin of the space and to provide for safe escape in firefighting activity. Fixed fire detection and fire system alarm installation should be suitable for the nature of the space. Maneuverable points should be placed effectively to ensure a reliable, accessible means of notification, and fire patrols should provide an effective means of detecting and locating fires and alerting the navigation bridge and fire teams.
Life-saving appliances and firefighting systems is essential to preserve the safety of life at sea. This means it's dangerous and is very propensive to unexpected situations.
And having a complete system against fires and other dangers guarantees the compliance with all the international regulations.
Hi, are you happy? It was amazing.